Today we will demonstrate how to use the switch action in Engini. A switch activity allows a workflow to execute different blocks, or cases, based on the value of a specific expression. It acts as an alternative to multiple nested if statements when checking several possible values for a variable or expression. Each case contains its own set of activities. In this example, we'll walk through a short workflow that fetches opportunities from Salesforce and executes cases based on the stage status. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can always use a scheduled trigger or webhook. First, we will retrieve a few opportunities from Salesforce. Next, we'll use a for each loop to iterate through every stage of each opportunity that is retrieved, and for each one, we'll check whether the status is qualification, needs analysis, or closed one. If the stage is qualification, we'll send an email to the customer to schedule a meeting. If the stage is needs analysis, we'll notify a manager to arrange a meeting and analyze the opportunity. If the stage is closed one, we won't proceed with any actions in this video, but you can choose from a variety of actions that Engini enables. Now, let's test the workflow. After running the workflow, let's examine the paths executed in the for each loop. In each iteration, a different case was executed depending on the stage status. For example, the first iteration ran on the case where the stage was qualification, and the second iteration ran on the case where the stage was needs analysis, and so on. You can define many more cases to match your specific needs. And that's it. I hope this demonstration gave you a clear understanding of how to use the switch action in Engini to handle different scenarios efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.